Meta AI just unleashed a video editing tool that's next level. Transform your videos with a tap, no skills needed. Ready to unleash your creativity? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for cutting-edge tech. Today we're exploring Meta AI's new video editing feature. Meta AI, nestled across Meta's platforms like Facebook and Instagram, just dropped a revolutionary video editing feature. Inspired by Meta's movie gen models, this tool lets you fine-tune short-form videos with ease. Change outfits, swap locations, or tweak lighting, all with a single tap. Here's the magic. Upload your video to the Meta AI app, meta.ai website, or the Edits app, and choose from over 50 preset AI prompts. Turn your footage into graphic novel-style animation or add dreamy lighting effects in seconds. No editing experience? No problem. This is built for everyone. What sets Meta AI apart? It's super intuitive, and for a limited time, you can try 10-second video transformations for free. Plus, by late 2025, you'll be able to use custom text prompts for even more control. Share your creations directly to Facebook, Instagram, or the meta.ai Discover feed. This isn't just another AI tool, it's a creativity booster. Whether you're a content creator or just want to spice up your post, Meta AI's video editing makes pro-level edits accessible to all. X-users are already raving about its seamless integration and stunning results. With custom text prompts coming soon, Meta's AI is set to redefine video editing. It's a huge step for AI-driven creativity across Meta's platforms, and we can't wait to see what's next. Have you tried Meta AI's video editing yet? Share your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech updates.